At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom.
India's fight for freedom, which culminated in independence on 15th August 1947, was a very long and arduous struggle lasting several decades. But how many of you know how the tricolour or Tiranga came into being before it was first hoisted at Red Fort on Independence Day? Well, before we spill the beans, let's revisit what Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation, once famously said. A flag is a necessity for all nations. Millions have died for it. It is no doubt a kind of idolatry which would be a sin to destroy. The first national flag in India is said to have been hoisted on August 7, 1906 in the Parsi Bagan Square in Calcutta. It comprised of 3 horizontal strips of red, yellow and green with Vande Mataram written in the middle. Believed to have been designed by freedom activist Sachindra Prasad Bose and Hemchandra Kanungo, the red strip on the flag had symbols of the sun and a crescent moon, and the green strip had 8 half-open lotuses. The second flag was hoisted in Paris by Madame Kama and a band of exiled revolutionaries in 1907. In 1917, Dr. Annie Besant and Lokmanya Tilak adopted a new flag as part of the Home Rule movement. It had 5 alternate red and 4 green horizontal stripes and 7 stars in the Saptarishi configuration. A white crescent and star occupied one top corner and the other had the Union Jack. The design of the Indian tricolour is largely attributed to Pingali Venkaiah, an Indian freedom fighter who served as part of the British Indian Army. Years of research went into designing the national flag. At the All India Congress Committee in Bezwada in 1921, Venkaiah met Mahatma Gandhi and proposed a basic design of the flag consisting of 2 red and green bands to symbolize the 2 major communities, Hindus and Muslims. Gandhi arguably suggested adding a white band to represent peace and the rest of the communities living in India, and a spinning wheel to symbolize the progress of the country. Red was replaced with saffron and the order of the colours was changed. The flag was to have no religious interpretation. However, another revision took place on July 22, 1947, when the Constituent Assembly adopted the Tiranga with Ashoka's chakra in the centre as Free India national flag. This was a few days before India gained independence from British rule after 200 years of slavery.